Dear all members of Rashtriya Sai Mahasangh and all those who want to join Isai Mahasangh are all welcome. I would like to brief you what is the difference between Rashtriya Isai Mahasangh and other NGOs. Rashtriya Isai Mahasangh is not an NGO that provides funds for people to conduct programs. It's a first difference. Secondly, it is not working to organize people under religious heads. Whatever denomination you belong to, you can be part of Rashtriya Isai Mahasangh. Only thing we request is they must be a Christian. A Christian who wants to help the community to become strong. As I said in my earlier episode, when Christian community felt that it needs to develop the political leadership after the Jabwa riot, we began this movement. So naturally, our aim was to strengthen the political movement. We do not collect funds from people or do. We tell the people, whomever wants to join, whatever programs you are conducting, you collect whatever funds you need from the people and conduct the program and finish it. Do not go for collecting huge amounts of funds from people, which we don't require. And we don't ask also people to heavily fund the organization to achieve its objectives. Because Rashtriya Isai Mahasangh is an ideology. It's an ideology that helps or motivates people to enter into the political field. Therefore, we very often tell people, don't misunderstand Rashtriya Isai as a funding agency or an NGO that helps you to conduct programs. Programs conducting is not our aim. Our aim is to identify people with real political motive from the Christian community and provide them a platform upon which they can have a takeoff. This is our aim, and this aim we have implemented in many parts of the country. Yes, not only Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Uttar Pradesh and other places also. We are trying to give them a platform where they are able to work together. So, all those who want to join Rashtriya Isai Mahasangh are welcome. But be sure, we are not a funding agency, but we are an ideology. A thinking that says the Christian community can become powerful, strong, when they enter into the political scenario where their voice is heard in the political parties, where their voice is heard in the electoral bodies. So, all Christians must think of this, that it need not be my denomination person, my church person, but a person who is really interested in the leadership from the Christian community must be promoted to become a good leader. And our pastors and other people can have a religious leadership. Yeah, religious leadership. And Rashtriya Isai Mahasangh supports those people who can support these political people. Yeah, we need to. We also try to, support the people who are in trouble when they meet out with, police and other people troubling them in spreading the word of God. We try to support them to get help from the government and other sources so that they are able to do their work well in the field. This is one of our aims. Thank you very much for listening. So, be part of Rashtriya Isai Mahasangh. Thank you very much.